Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sylvia, the owner of Sylvia Craft. Today I'm going to show us how to make this auto gele. This looks unique and lovely, and just be patient and pay attention. I know at the end of this tutorial you'll be able to make this design yourself for your occasions and outing. Stay tuned. Okay, at this point I have this is 90 inches long. I have two pieces of this is one, this is the second one, and I have this is 90 inches, and this one is also 90 inches. So the same thing I did, I'll still fold it together like this. I'll fold it to the end. I will have it like this. Then I will sew through this way. I'll sew it like this and get from this side. I'll sew it straight, and I'll sew the two. After sewing the two, then I'll make the crown. So pay attention on this video. I know and I believe that when you finish watching it, you'll be able to do yours. Remember that when you get to the center, why sewing like this to the center? When you get to the center, you leave an inch, something like this here, from here to here. Just leave an inch, because why turning it, this is where you come out from. So at this point I'm done sewing this like this. This is the middle where I have the opening. This is it. And so from here now I will turn it, and to turn it I have to use a pen. So this is how you turn it, like this, like this. You turn it like this. You come out at the middle. So you come out from the middle. You turn it and you come out from the middle. The same thing you did to the other side. So here is the middle. Now you see the way I'm coming out from it. So after turning it, you have this. This is the opening at the middle. So at this point I will iron it out. After ironing it out, I'll start making the crown. So I need to iron it at this point. So at this point, after ironing it out, you tack the two together. Then you start folding like this. This is how you fold it. As you're doing it, observe it. It has to be 3 angles. It will have 3 sides as you fold. So at this point, this is what I have after making the crown. So after this, once you have this, then you tack this edge. You tack it like the way we did in the first part. Then to do the stripe for the hand, for you to tie it, you cut out 2 pieces. This is 15 inches. These two, I have 15 inches. This is 15 inches. So I'll do the same thing. I'll fold it this way. After folding it, I will sew it, and I'll come back to show you how I did it and what next to add to it. So at this point, I'm done sewing the 15 inches. This is what I have. If you watch my other videos, you see the same thing there. So after sewing it like this, at this point I will attach it to the crown base. I will attach it here. So after attaching it, this is how I will sew it. I'll use my thread and needle to tack it together. At this point, you cannot sew it, your machine cannot sew it because it's high. So you tack it with needle and thread. After sewing it, then I'll show you what it looks like. So this is it. I'm done with this. This is the stripe. This is for tying it like this, these two. Then I'm done with the base. I have it like this. I have my stripe attached to it the same way I did with the other one. This stripe here is 11 inches, the two of it. Then I just have to sew it. Then why this, like I said before, is 15 inches for this one.